Welcome to Extreme Controls and Automation Private Limited. Today we are here for our new vending machine. This is the cup vending machine. So this is the cup holder and this is the vending machine. It will drop the cup here, and this is beautiful, elegant machine. Operates on 230 volt AC. Let's have this is the scanner, and we can attach the coin acceptor also, note acceptor also on demand, and this will trigger the tea vending machine or any other vending machine. This can trigger even it will take payment and dispense cup, and also give the trigger to separate another machine. This is also the possibility. Let's pay. Yes, now we are going the demo payment. Yes,
received on phone pay.
so the payment is received and cup is dropped. Just do another payment. We can collect the cup. Doing another time payment.
₹1 received on phone pay.
The cup is now dropped. So this is our beautiful machine. We hope you place us the good order. Thank you. Contact us for ordering, and this is the 46 mm dia. Order us for your requirement diameters.